Hello, I am Irfan. Our topic for today is water. Now let's revise the definition of water. Water is a substance which has no color, shape, taste, or odor. It is made up of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. It is represented by the symbol H2O. Water is a precious natural resource for us. We need water to live and grow. We use water for different purposes such as drinking, cooking, cleaning, bathing, watering plants, and other daily activities. We get water from different sources like ponds, lakes, rivers, seas, oceans, etc. The sources of water are of two types: freshwater sources and saltwater sources. Freshwater sources contain fresh water like rivers, ponds, lakes, etc. Saltwater sources contain salt water, means the salt is mixed with water like seas and oceans. Water cycle is a process when water travels in three different forms. I had made a separate video on it. The link is in the description. So that's all for today. Bye bye.